Quick Mount PV presents the Classic Composition Mount. In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to install the Classic Comp Mount onto a composition roof. You will only need a few basic tools to install the mount. A drill with a 7/32 inch bit, an impact gun with a 1/2 inch deep socket, a tape measure, a chalk line, a sealant compatible with your particular roof type, and a basic roofing bar or shingle ripper for pulling out nails if needed. This box contains 12 Classic Composition mounts and all the parts you'll need to install the mounts and attach rails or racking systems to them. Detailed instructions come in every box. A smaller box containing all the hardware needed is also included. Let's take a look at the hardware box. Which contains mounting hardware for 12 mounts, 12 6-inch hanger bolts, and rack-to-mount hardware for attaching your racking system to the installed mount. We'll review the rack-to-mount hardware a little later. The mounting hardware kit consists of 12 each EPDM washers, sealing washers, and 5/16 inch stainless steel hex nuts. The EPDM washer will not be used until the end of the installation, but now, before you get up on the roof, is a great time to prep your hanger bolts with the sealing washer and the hex nut. This will reduce labor time on the roof and help prevent dropping or losing small parts. Prep the bolts by placing the hex nut on the machine end of the bolt and the sealing washer on the lag end of the bolt. Make sure the rubber side is facing down. An impact gun with a 1/2 inch socket makes it a little easier. Be sure to wear gloves. Once you've prepped your bolts, you're ready to get on the roof. Roofs vary considerably, so to maintain the roof warranty and reduce your own liability, it's important to study the roofing manufacturer's warranty and to carefully follow the Quick Mount PV instructions that come in the box. After you've located the rafter, mark it off with a chalk line. Then measure the appropriate distance to the adjacent rafters and mark the locations for all of your mount placements according to your design. Now make sure to study the mounting specifications of your particular rail system before designing your plan. Once you've determined where your mounts are going to go, gently slide a roofing bar up under the selected shingles to break the natural seal of the roof. Carefully remove any nails that may be in the way. For more detailed instructions on this step, check out our Quick Tips video on nail removal. Be sure to fill any nail holes with the appropriate sealant. After removing all obstructive nails, slide the mount up under the shingles and line up the block with the rafter. The bottom of the flashing should be slightly above the drip edge. The top edge of the flashing should reach above the nail line up into the third course. This ensures waterproofing in the event of keyways or seams in the shingles. Using the mount as a template, mark your penetration point with a bolt or a pin. Use a 7/32" drill bit to drill a pilot hole into the rafter. Be sure to remove the mount before drilling the pilot hole. Next, apply a sealant compatible to your roof into the penetration. It's always best to check with the roofing manufacturer to determine the proper sealant. If you would like, you can apply a bead of sealant in a U-shape above the hole on the underside of the flashing. While this is not necessary, it is a common practice among roofers as an extra waterproofing measure. You are now ready to reinsert the mount and bolt it down. Take care that the flashing is properly lined up. Insert your prepared hanger bolt through the mounting block and drive it into the rafter using a 1/2" deep socket. Gently turn the block back and forth until it tightens against the flashing. When you can no longer swivel the block, the mount has been completely fastened. To facilitate water shedding, it's a good idea to leave the block at a downward angle. As a final step, place the EPDM washer onto the bolt into the recess at the top of the block. This prevents water from pooling up in the block. And that's it. After installing all the mounts, you will be ready to attach the rail or racking device of your choice. The Classic Comp mount is compatible with all major solar racking systems. To attach the rack, use the rack to mount hardware that came in the box. The hardware consists of a stainless steel hex nut, a lock washer, and a flat washer. Use this hardware to fasten your L-foot to the mount. Start with the flat washer, followed by the lock washer, and finish off with a hex nut. To attach your racking system to the L-feet, follow the instructions in your rail kit. With its fast single-bolt installation, 100% code compliance, and superior waterproofing technology, the Classic Composition mount from Quick Mount PV is the recognized industry standard in solar roof mounts. With more than 1 million units installed, the best-selling Classic Comp mount is the preferred choice of roofing and PV professionals throughout North America. For more information about the Classic Comp mount and all Quick Mount PV products, please visit our website, where you'll find a wealth of information including specs and drawings, engineering reports, instructional videos, frequently asked questions, and much more. You can also contact tech support directly by emailing tech@quickmountpv.com. Quick Mount PV products are distributed through leading solar, electrical, and roofing distributors throughout North America. See our website for the complete list.